Now at this lesson, lesson 1.2. So I'm going to do the inquiry activity and I'm going to mark it as completed. And you know what? Let me go back to 1.1 and see if my teacher already gave me some responses to all the work I completed. Oh, there's a lot of things over here. So it looks like my teacher gave me mastered, which is the green star here. So I got mastered on these first two activities. And then on the practice problem, I got revise. So it became blue again, and now I have to redo this. This little symbol here labels it for optional. So it's an aspire to, so it's optional for me. I don't have to do it, but I could do it. And here, this revise icon looks like a chat icon. So let's click on that and see. So that means when you see an icon like that, that means that teacher gave you feedback. So I can open this, click on that icon and see the feedback from my teacher. And it says, please watch the video and complete the guided notes again. Come to see me in class and let's review them together. Okay, so I need to redo the guided notes and rewatch the guided notes and video, and then complete the practice problems and go see my teacher again. Even though I'm already started with lesson 2, actually, if I click here, which is the place icon, that sends me back to lesson 1 because I still have to complete these 2 must activities, and until I haven't checked these off, I'm always going to be in this lesson. This is all for today about how to use the student side of the interface. Thank you and goodbye.